Dear kids, today our grammar lesson is basic masculine and feminine words. So let's start. Our first word is boy. It is a masculine and a girl. Girl is a feminine one. Our second word is father. Father. It is a masculine. And the mother is a feminine. Mother. Our next word is grandfather. Grandfather is a masculine. It is a masculine. And grandmother is a feminine. Our next word is rooster. Rooster is a masculine. The feminine version of rooster is hen. Hen. Our next word is man. Everybody know this word. It is a masculine and woman is a feminine. Our next word is cow. Oh sorry, I have written the wrong one. I should have write the bull one. Bull. Bull. Bull is a masculine. And cow is a feminine. Our next word is brother. It is a masculine and the feminine version of brother is sister. It is a feminine. Let's repeat all these words. The first word of masculine is boy. The first word of feminine is girl. Father, mother. Grandfather, grandmother. Rooster, hen. Man, woman. Bull, cow. Brother, sister. Our next word is actor. Actor is a masculine word and the feminine version of actor is actress. Actress. So our next word is author. It is a masculine. Authoress. It is a feminine word. Our next word is drone. Drone. Drone is a masculine word and the feminine word is bee. Our next word is king. King. It is a masculine and the feminine version is queen. Queen. Our next word is waiter. Waiter. You all guys have seen waiter on the restaurants. The female word of feminine waiter is waitress. Our next word is host. host. The feminine version of host is hostess. Our next word is husband. The feminine version of husband is wife. I have to sit down because it is a bit lower. Wife. Dear kids, I will repeat all these words one more time. So let's start. Actor, actress. Author, authoress. Drone, bee. King, queen. Waiter, waitress. Host, hostess. Husband, wife. So dear kids, that's all for today. I will meet you tomorrow. So bye bye.